Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. And I am going to give everybody a few minutes to join me. I'm a little bit later than usual. It is a little after 5 o'clock. And I am up in the Finger Lakes. We just arrived. We just unpacked. And we are getting ready for a fun-filled weekend with some wine connoisseurs like we are, or just wine friends up here in the Finger Lakes. And we are going to get started here shortly. Give everybody a minute here to join in. Hello. Let's see. Somebody's knocking at my door. Not sure who it is, so let me open the door here. Just got started. Up, and it's Marcus. Come on in. So I'm live, honey. Live on Facebook. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give everybody a few minutes here. I am a little bit later. Hello, Robert. Give me a thumbs up if you are watching me live. And let's see who is joining. See a few people on, just haven't... Don't see any names popping up yet. Not sure why. All right, there we go. We get a couple more people in. There's Marcus. There's some wine behind us. And we have some snacks. And we do a little opening reception here in our hotel suite. So we have a really nice suite here. And thank you for watching me. Hello, Dawn. Give me a thumbs up or a high five or a hashtag live if you're watching live. I'm going to show you my view. Let's see. This is from my hotel room. You can see Seneca Lake there. I can go outside. Let's see. All right. It's a little chilly. It's not really that bad, but there is our view from our room. And hello, Justin. Hello, everybody who is joining me. Thank you very much for watching. So this isn't my typical location, obviously. I'm not at the bar at Aroma Time today, but I just wanted to make sure that I came on to say hello to everybody. Yes, Dawn, you are live. Yes, you are live. Let's see. So I'm not making a drink today, but today I have in this awesome bag. Isn't this bag great? It's called an ice bag. It's really fabulous. I love it. It's so great. You can put 3 bottles of wine in there, maybe 2 bottles of sparkling. But today I just opened a how do you say it, Marcus? Bolcini from Damiani Wine Cellars. It's a sparkling wine. I have 2 awesome glasses here, and we're going to start our weekend off with some bubbles. These glasses are funny. Marcus and I travel with this awesome wine bag that carries 4 wine glasses. So look how cool that is. And we travel with it. We like to drink our wine out of nice glasses. We don't bring it into restaurants with us, but we do when we're in the hotel room drink out of them. Yeah, Marcus knows some people that
working in the restaurant industry
does travel. Yeah, so anyway, so I called this bubble. Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, that? I think you meant the other bag.
You know, I didn't. This is the cool ice bag, it's called. So you put ice in it. The other bag is in the room back there.
Show me the other bag,
so Marcus wants me to show the other bag. But in the meantime, cheers to everybody. Hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. Everybody should start their weekend off with bubbles. That's always how I feel. Delicious. Hello, Matthew. All right, so here is this wine travel bag. Marcus is going to probably open it for you so you can take a look.
See it?
And yeah, they can see it.
Okay.
And it has a carrier, so you can put it over your shoulder. This is from Riedel. Riedel makes this bag. I don't know if they're making them anymore. I have no idea. I'm sure they do, but everybody should have a wine bag like this. And when you open it up, you can put 4 glasses in there. They slip in and then they pull out. It's really pretty cool. So hello, Heather. Hi, Heather. We miss you. Hello, Maveen. Matthew's on. Hi, everybody. So we are in the Finger Lakes. We are getting ready for our wine tour this weekend. There are 16 people with us, so it's a pretty cool fun-packed wine tour this weekend. Lots of wineries. We're going to go to a distillery. We're going to have a lot of fun, drink a lot of good wine, take them to our friends' wineries. And yeah, so our $9.99 special this week at Aroma Time to Go is our tiki masala chicken with rice and broccoli. And then we'll have a wine dinner on Monday night. If you're not too sick of wine, if you've been traveling with us, if you're not too sick of wine, we have a wine dinner on Monday. It is 4 wines in a dish for $29.99. Haven't even thought about what the dish is going to be, but I know we just got in some awesome new wines, so we will be serving them there. And that's it. So let's see, I'm going to sign off. I appreciate everybody watching us. I appreciate everybody's support. And drink some good wine this weekend. Get some bubbles. So this is kind of my wine. It's really cocktail time with Jamie, but today it's all about wine. This is a really nice sparkling wine. Cheers, Marcus. Cheers to everybody. Marcus is going to get his glass, and we're going to cheers. Cheers. And we're going to have an awesome weekend. So hope to